Hey friends, this is Atif Pope here, and welcome to the new update on PIVX. In today's analysis, we will once again take a look at this big bearish pennant, and right now you can see that PIVX has broken out the resistance of this pennant, and I also want to show you this triangle as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my previous trade setup of PIVX that I shared with you with my members at the Patreon on 20th of July. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal guardrail move that PIVX formed with Bitcoin pair. And you can see this was the chart or idea that I shared on 20th of July. And when I shared this chart at that time, you can see that it just completed its final leg and entered the buying zone. And our buying zone was starting from 726 and goes to 656, and our sell targets were starting from 0.0000819 and goes to 0.0000917 bitcoins. Now after playing this chart, we can see that the price line pumped very well, and after reaching this sell target, it is still moving between the potential reversals on the buying zone and the potential sells on. Now if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart with PIVX with US dollar pair, then we can see it was moving inside a very long-term bearish pennant, and it was entered the pennant here back in Feb 2021, and we have so many touch points at the resistance and at the support as well. Here we also had a fake out as well, but you can see that here at this support, PIVX has formed a double bottom, and after forming this double bottom, it has broken out the resistance of this bearish pennant. Now it is struggling to break out this next resistance that we have at 17 cents. That is quite strong resistance. Previously it had been breaking as a resistance here, almost as a support here. And if we move more back, then here in the month of March 2020, it had been breaking as a support here in November 2019, and in September 2019 it was breaking as a support, and before that here in December 2018 it was breaking as a support, and here in January 2018 it was working as a support. Therefore, we have a quite strong history of this level to work as a support and resistance. Therefore, it can again work as a strong resistance. Here you can see that we have few candlesticks closed above this resistance level, but again it had moved down under this resistance. After this resistance of 17 cents, our next major resistance will be here at 27 cents, and this level has been working as a support and resistance in the previous history as well. And then our major resistance will be here at 50 cents, and this level has also been working as a support and resistance in the previous history. Now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see PIVX has formed this descending triangle. This support is, by the way, slightly moving up, and here we have a down trend line resistance, and you can see that we have several touch points at the resistance and at the support as well, and the movement is getting more and more squeezed inside this triangle, and you can see we are almost at the end of the triangle. So at any time it can break out or break down the resistance or support. And for example, if it will break down this support, then our target to the downside can be here approximately at 12.5 cents. And if it will break out, that I'm expecting that it can break out, because we have already broken out this very big resistance of the bearish pennant with bullish divergence. By the way, when the price line formed this next low, you can see it was forming next low lower than previous low. The value is this the lowest value of this candlestick is 7.69 cents, and the lowest value of this candlestick is 7.87 cents. So this low was lower than previous low, but the stochastic, you can see it was moving up, it was forming higher lows. So there was a bullish divergence, and it has broken out this resistance with the bullish divergence. Therefore, I'm expecting that it can also break out this triangle as well. And our target to the upside, by the way, will be 17.4 cents if in case of breakout. And in that situation, it can also make a powerful attempt to break out this resistance, this major resistance of 17 cents. So next few hours or days can be really very important. Even few hours can be really very important. You can see we are at the end of the triangle, and it is quite squeezed now. So at any time it can break out or break down. I'm still expecting that it can break out. Now, if we take a look at the target for this bigger breakout from this bigger bearish pennant that is here at the top of the pen, that will be approximately at $2.15. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.